Today for the Bitcoin price. Guys, look at this. Bitcoin is still maturing here in this pattern, and the question right now arises, what will Bitcoin do? What is the next step for the Bitcoin price? Are we going to break down to our bearish price target, or is this just the beginning of the continuation of this parabolic rise towards the upside? Well guys, I want to show you a new updated price target, which you can see right here. I can tell you guys, this will completely blow your mind right now. And many people are asking me right now, Chris, what is going on with your trades? Well, I want to talk about that. I will be showing you my trade on Bybit, $110,000 in a profit, took already $60,000, and then here my other old trade on Femex, $165,000 in profit, 1000% already. And here on the sub account, this is my brand new trade I just opened recently here, $65,000 in profit. And the question of course is, Chris, when are you going to take profits? But also more importantly, if I am standing on the sidelines right now, where is the next reasonable trade? What is the next entry position for Bitcoin? And more importantly, what is the price target for Bitcoin right now in the immediate short term? I want to talk about all of that. And guys, remember, there is only for a limited time, for the last few days here in the pinned comment, is $610 bonus for your next trade. It is for limited time. If you click this specific link here, you get $610 for free with our bonus code here. And after hitting the deposit requirements in the pinned comment down below, if you are an experienced trader, click the link right now, make the account and claim your 610 bonus for your next trade, and you can withdraw the profits from this free trade as well. And with that being said, welcome to friends and welcome back to MMCrypto. My name is Chris, and as always, we are really pumped to go straight into the content. Alright guys, and as always, we are starting on the 4-hourly candles for the Bitcoin price. And look at this, Bitcoin is still here in this rising channel. And the question remains, what is the next move for Bitcoin? Will Bitcoin be going more up, or are we going to face a significant rejection down to this red line here? Well, I want to talk about that because yesterday basically something happened here with our rejection. Actually, we also covered on our channel, Bitcoin created this low, and once again, look at this, Bitcoin created a new higher low on the 4-hourly candles. Let me go over to the hourly candles, and there you can see it even better. It is not a beautiful one, but this could be considered a W pattern. It's by far not a beautiful one, but as you can see, Bitcoin broke the neckline, went completely parabolic. We created a higher low here than the previous low, so Bitcoin is still in this bull trend. And this is what I was actually saying since $7,000. I remain bullish for Bitcoin as long as we are creating higher lows, and this gave me the strength and the confidence to stay in my trades. This is the reason why I am still here in my trades. I will be showing you the profits, my take profits, my game plan for them, and also where I am going to open the next trade. But as you can see, Bitcoin is still in this ascending channel, and with the rejection we actually had tonight here, you could arise the question, is this maybe a rising wedge, which is of course a little bit less bullish than the upward sloping channel, but we just have to wait and see what comes, because after this rejection, Bitcoin is on the rise once again. So in case we are breaking this, I would be looking out for a retest of the upward sloping resistance, actually approximately at $17,400, which would put us once again at a 35-month high. But I want to tell you guys, with all this bullishness in mind here, because Bitcoin is extremely bullish, and I can't believe it myself that we are going bullish for so long, but this is why I'm still in the trades. With all of this bullishness, we have to keep in mind, at one specific point of time, we will see a significant retracement with a punishment of all the bulls out there. Recently, we just completely punished all the bears, and the time will come where the bulls will be punished. The question is this going to happen right now? Well, let's go over here to the parabolic curves I actually mentioned in the last video here, in the last solo video. You can see here, zooming out, these are the 3-day candles, and Bitcoin is basically every single time always forming these macro parabolic curves, as you can see them here in 2012 to 2013. You can see it in 2016, 17, once broken bear market. Well, but these are the long-term, the parabolic long-term curves. I pointed that out also here for this specific cycle here, but within these macro curves we have the micro curves here. We have these smaller parabolic curves. Once they are broken, we have a significant retracement before Bitcoin continues this rise towards the upside. And right now here on the 3-day candles, you can see Bitcoin actually, after the confirmation out of these symmetrical triangles I was mentioning since ages, Bitcoin got the massive bounce, and I told you over here, guys, this is freaking bullish. I mean, go back. I was so pumped about Bitcoin confirming this breakout, because this is the most important breakout we are getting. We are getting these breakouts once every 4 years. This happened. So Bitcoin went on the parabolic rise exactly as expected, exactly as predicted here, and still we are holding it. But I am telling you, once we are breaking it, once we are closing below a daily, preferably even a weekly candle, I am predicting a 2-3 weeks retracement. But as long as we are in the parabolic trajectory towards the upside, we can go much higher. And as you can see here, these are the 3-day candles. Within the next 6, 9, 12, 15 days, depending on when we are breaking it, we can go significantly higher, even to price levels of the all-time high. Once we are breaking it, guys, and once we are creating a lower low, I will be scaling out of my trades. I will be going a little bit more bearish here in the immediate short term, and I will be also telling you exactly what retracement target I am expecting here for Bitcoin. Before I'm doing that, I wanted to talk about a potential price target. Once again, guys, always keeping in mind, let's stay level-headed. Let's not go full-on bull mode here, because this is basically what we did throughout the last 2 months. Now is the time to get cautious. But with that being said, we always need new price target. Once we are hitting the old ones, we have to determine the next one. And you remember how all of our price targets were so accurate. Once hit, we had the small retracement. Well, let's pull out the next one here. And I was actually talking with DaVinci J15 about this specific level here. Let me pull that out. This specific level here, the 3 Fibonacci extension level at $17,600, not perfectly drawn, approximately. I would be always taking profits below these targets. Now that this one is so close, I just want to tell you, only in case we are breaking it, and only in case Bitcoin continues this parabolic rise towards the upside throughout the next 6 to 12, 6 to 15 days, who knows, hopefully, in this case, a potential target, and I am not telling you we are going to hit that, but this would be the next potential target here according to the Fibonacci extension levels, and this would be, believe it or not, among the $20,000 levels, in alignment with the previous all-time high. But I want to tell you guys, please govern the price action. If you are in a very profitable trade, as probably nearly everyone is right now in the MMCrypto community, and I will be showing you my trades, my take profits, and also where I am going to put in my next trade once this retracement comes, I want to tell you, if you are in a profitable trade, take some profits, because these parabolic curves, they are not for eternity. Nothing which is going vertical is for eternity. We always have to go down. We always have to punish the bulls. This is always what's happening after these parabolic cycles. It is not over yet. It is not perfectly going vertical yet. I mean, it sounds crazy, but actually there is more upside, guys, believe it or not, as long as we are not breaking it. Now the question, of course, arises, Chris, what are your trades? What is your next price target? Well, let me go here directly into the trades, and I will be also showing you the trade I actually opened just 3 days ago. First of all, let me start with this one here on Bybit. And this one I opened at $10,850. It is right now already raking in $110,000. Quite unbelievable if you consider that I took more than 3 Bitcoin profits here, $54,000 at that time, probably right now more than $60,000. So in total, this is $170,000 profit trade already. I took on my old trades on Phemex, I took full profits, $180,000. This was on this account here. As you can see, I already have a new trade open, which I opened at the last breakout at $15,440. This one is right now raking in $64,000. Going over to the closed positions, you can see that this is the exact account where I took the 12 Bitcoin profits before. This is the account I'm having open right now. And the question is, Chris, how long are you going to keep these crazy trades open? Well, the one I showed you on Phemex, this is the first trade to close because it's the highest leverage. It's the worst entry position at 15,440. Once we are breaking this, I will be scaling out of my trade, but only once we are breaking it, once we are closing below. Then I want to make sure that I am taking profits home. And on my Bybit trade, I will be taking profits a little bit later. I can be less cautious here because I have a much better entry position. You do remember that I have another trade over on Phemex. If I am going here over to my main account, you can see that this one is right now making an unbelievable $165,000 in profit at an entry price of $9,416. This trade I'm just going to ride towards the upside. And the question is, Chris, if I am right now on the sidelines, if I want to put in my next trade, should I be going into a trade right now? Because I mean, we are in the parabolic rise towards the upside. Bitcoin didn't break it yet. So far, the highest probability would be that we are going higher here within the next 3, 6, 9, 12 days. Well, I want to tell you, it is not reasonable at all to run into these parabolas, guys. We have to wait for an entry position where we can say with a high degree of certainty, this is an entry position of strength. And this is what I am preaching on the channel. I'm always telling you, I am opening a trade here. I'm opening a trade here. And if you miss these opportunities, no problem. The train is going to come back and you will get your next chance. Let me go over here to the weekly candles, and on the weekly candles you can actually see if I'm pulling out the EMA, then once Bitcoin breaks it, we would be going here right now on the to the 12,200 level. But of course, these retracements, they take like 2-3 weeks of time. So in this case, the retracement would probably go somewhere here towards the 13 to 14,000 US dollar levels. We have to see at that point of time what it might be. And of course, we want to hold also this macro parabolic trend here, which looks quite unbelievable, but it leads us until the end of 2021 to at least 6-digit price levels here, which is of course a scenario I am hoping for. And if you are standing on the sidelines right now, as I already told you, don't rush into a trade. Don't blindly go into a trade. But if you are finding, or if we are finding together here on this channel, subscribe to the channel if you don't want to miss out on that. If you want to find your next entry position of strength, well, you can already go down here to the pinned comment, claim the $610 bonus for your next trade. You can just wait on the side and wait. Once this position comes, once this entry position comes, you can use the $610 US in our pinned comment by clicking the link in the pinned comment. You put in your email address and your password, and with our code here, win $500, only win $500 after you used our link. When you ever used our link, that's already fine. You can get $610 US bonus here after matching the deposit requirements. Also remember that you can get a 20% discount on my course. It's also in the pinned comment by clicking that link. You put in your email address and your password, but very important, take advantage of these $610 US bonus for limited time. It's going on for a few more days, so you can claim it and you can use this bonus for your next trade. The best thing is you can withdraw the profits from this free trade from the exchange as well. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Let's see if we can hit this incredible price target of 17,600 and then 20,000 US. I am telling you, I want to be cautious right now because, as I already told you, these parabolas are not for eternity. And once they are breaking hard. So please be prepared, guys. Please be cautious. Make sure you scroll down and you also smash up the like button as always, you press the subscription button, you press the bell and press on all. And with that being said, we will see each other very soon in the next one of MMCrypto. And as always, guys, as always, click the subscription box right here and also click the Bible tutorial, which is popping up right there. And as always, guys, as always, bye-bye.